Hey everyone, it's Sarah. Remember when building a website used to feel impossible without knowing how to code? Those days are long gone. In 2025, creating your own website is easier than ever. Seriously, if I can do it, anyone can. We're talking drag, drop, and you're basically done. It's like building with digital Lego blocks. But before we dive into the fun stuff, let's talk about why you need a website in the first place. Whether you're a small business owner, an artist sharing your portfolio, or just want a place to share your thoughts with the world, having your own website is key. It's your digital storefront, your online gallery, your voice on the internet, and the best part, you don't need to be a tech whiz to do it. Let's get started. Before you jump into building, think about what you want your website to do. Is it an online store to sell your amazing products, or maybe a blog to share your travel adventures? There are different types of websites for different goals. Choosing the right type helps you focus your design and content. For example, if you're a photographer, you'll want a website that showcases your pictures beautifully. A food blogger might want a website that's easy to navigate with recipes. Knowing your website's purpose is like having a roadmap. It guides you in the right direction. Now the fun part, choosing your website builder. My personal favorite, and the one I recommend, is Wix AI Builder. It's like having a personal web designer powered by artificial intelligence. You answer a few questions about your website, like what type of website you need and what style you like. Wix AI then generates a unique design just for you, complete with images and text suggestions. How cool is that? Wix AI Builder is super intuitive and easy to use, even for beginners. It's also incredibly powerful, with tons of customization options so you can make your website truly your own. Trust me, with Wix AI Builder, you'll have a website up and running in no time. Every website needs an address, right? That's where domain names come in. Your domain name is what people type into their browser to find you, like sarahswebsite.com. You'll also need hosting, which is like renting space online for your website to live. Think of it like renting a shop for your online store. Most website builders, including Wix, offer domain registration and hosting as part of their packages, making it super convenient. When choosing a domain name, keep it short, memorable, and relevant to your website. And don't worry, Wix will guide you through the whole process. Section 5, Templates and Themes. Designing a stunning website in minutes. Remember those Lego blocks? This is where the building really begins. Wix AI Builder offers a huge library of professionally designed templates and themes. These are pre-made website layouts that you can customize to your liking. Want a sleek and modern look for your tech blog? Or maybe something colorful and playful for your online toy store? Wix has got you covered. You can easily change colors, fonts, images, and add your own content with just a few clicks. It's like having a magic wand for your website. Section 6. Essential pages. The backbone of your online presence. Every website needs a few key pages to function properly. Think of these as the essential rooms in your online home. Firstly, you need a home page. This is the first thing visitors see, so make it welcoming and engaging. Tell people what your website is all about. Next, an About page is crucial. This is where you introduce yourself or your brand and tell your story. People love to connect with the faces behind a website. And of course, you need a contact page so people can reach out to you. Include your email address, social media links, or even a contact form. Section 7, Getting Found Online, SEO and Performance Tips. Okay, you've built an amazing website, but how do people actually find it? That's where SEO, or search engine optimization, comes in. SEO is all about making your website attractive to search engines like Google. The higher you rank in search results, the more people will discover your site. Wix has built-in SEO tools to help you optimize your website. Use relevant keywords in your website content, make sure your website loads quickly, and ensure it's mobile-friendly. Section 8. Launching your website, sharing your creation with the world. You've put in the work, and now it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Hit that publish button and celebrate. Your website is live, but the journey doesn't end there. Promote your website on social media, tell your friends and family, and engage with your audience. Remember, building a website is an ongoing process. Keep your content fresh, interact with your visitors, and watch your online presence grow. Section 9. Conclusion. Your journey to online success starts now. Creating your own website has never been easier or more fun. With powerful tools like Wix AI Builder, you can design a stunning website that reflects your unique brand and goals, all without writing a single line of code. So what are you waiting for? Unleash your creativity, share your passion with the world, and start building your dream website today.